Hey, it's here, it's finally here. Open, faster.
I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
Hey there, girlfriends. It is your girl Sharice, and welcome on back to my channel, Fine Coils. So today is the day I know you all have been waiting for. You probably haven't. Today's video is going to be a sponsored video. That's right, it is a sponsored video because your girl is an ambassador. That's right, you heard me, an ambassador. I'm sorry, you said what? From that title and the thumbnail, you already know this is going to be an unboxing. My package from Kinky Curly Elegance has arrived, you guys. As you see, the box is open, so let's get right into it, literally. So the very first item that you see when you open up the box here is a Kinky Curly Elegance t-shirt. And it is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. This ain't one of those typical, you know what I'm saying, regular shirts. And if you can't see that on the back, it says KCE approved girlfriend. So if you don't got this on the back of your shirt, you're not approved. Just kidding. And all of the stuff that you're seeing in this box, you can get at kinkycurlyelegance.com. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. It also comes with these crocodile clips, and I've always wanted some of these. Thank you so much, KC, for sending me these. It comes with a spray bottle. Bliss. I know the CEO, her name is Vidya Weeks. I know her very well, and she watches my videos faithfully, and she must really have known that I have such bad luck with my spray bottles. So thank you, dear. Thank you for this. And it also comes with a detangling brush. I'm so glad to get to try one of these, and it is adjustable. It has a little thing, stopper or divider thing in it, and you can take it out. Come on, don't make a liar out of me here. You can take it out. I know you can. Okay. Break it. Yeah, you can take it out. It's kind of reminds me of the Felicia Leatherwood, but not necessarily. The bristles aren't as sturdy as the Felicia Leatherwood, but it can go on, you know? Comes with a couple of shower caps as well, because you know you can never have too many at all. And the star of the show.
The star of the show.
You feel me? So this is the Curl Clarifying Mask, and it is even personalized to me. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's really bright. It says Sharice Chambers Original Formula Tropical Bliss. And this is the 8 ounce. And there's like a little cute surprise in here. It's another jar of something. I'm not sure what this is, but baby, we're gonna find out. And it comes with Vidya Weeks' business card. And then it also comes with a little thank you notice from the CEO herself, Vidya Weeks. And on the back has the directions and ingredients. So the original formula that I have is bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, you know I love that, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sapphire oil, natural and organic plant extracts for fragrance. So this is 100% natural and organic. So that is that. My hair is dry. It is crusty, dusty, and yeah, but yeah, we need you, baby. You came just in the nick of time because we need you, okay? So I don't know about you, but I'm gone. So I've already started to spray my hair up a little it. I probably should have just wet it in the sink, but I wanted to try out my new spray bottle. So this actually has warm water in it because my hair is really dry and the gel has been just caked up in my hair. So I figured warm water this time, right? But check out this bottle. Like, it sprays so easy. I love this. I don't have to wrap my whole hand around. This is just one finger, y'all. Look like touching. I love this spray bottle. And I'm not just being hyped because they sent it to me for free. I'm in burn ambassador, you know.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay. That's what I'm talking about!
Those misters, 360 sprayers, I don't like those. But this one, yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna open these up, see what they look and smell like. But Dia, call me after this video go, okay? Like, you just knew, like, I only had one more use left of my bentonite clay mask. My hair been shredding. You just knew. I can smell it from the outside. You just knew what I needed. It's also double sealed. So you know, and it was taped. So you knew that baby wasn't going nowhere. And she is filled to the brim. Ooh. It smells so good. Now, I smell the bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar. But like, it's so full with fragrance, like you can, it like fills your mouth. I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. I'm even gonna use my clips, Tia. I've been wanting to buy these for forever now, but I just never bought them. But my baby Dia had me. She had me. I'm also going to use my KCE brush as well. So this is going to be a KCE video. Alright. Everything I'm using is on Kinky Curly Elegance website and will be linked in the description box below. I'm just trying to saturate my hair as best I can. It sounds all sudsy. Oh, before I even put this in my hair. And it does state this on the directions to remove all metal, whether it's jewelry. Do not use metal to apply it to your hair or detangle your hair. The bentonite clay has properties in it that work like a magnet to remove all of the toxins and stuff from your hair. And when you use metal to mix it, or if you have metal items on, those properties will then go to your metal jewelry or your metal items instead of actually working on your hair how they're supposed to. So, you gotta remove. You can see it all over my hands. It's gross. I don't know what's gonna happen. So this stuff is thick, nice and thick. It's like thicker than snooker. So that's why your hair has to be saturated. Just go ahead and apply this without having to mix it and the mess and all of that and the cleanup and all of that. It just be done for me. Thanks to Dia. That this video needs to be extra long. I will still allow you to see me applying this, but I'll just speed it up, okay? Alright you guys, so this side is completely done. I had to go actually put my head in the kitchen sink because not that the spray bottle wasn't working, but there's a lot of product in my hair, so I actually needed to get some running water to get some of that up out of there. So I'm just using, see how cute it shoots? So just making sure that it stays fully saturated, because the wetter, the better. Pause. Get your mind out the gutter. Get it out. I've also been experiencing a lot of hair boogers, which is like where like these little clear snot balls form up in my hair. And yeah, it's not cute. So this is perfect to clarify and get that up out of there. So yeah, I'm just dividing this section up because I have learned my lesson with this stuff. Just trying to rub it in my hands, let it get a little hot, let it get a little warm. Also, I don't think I mentioned this. This stuff is actually great for your skin as well. So you can put this on your face and on your hair, which I can't say that too loud because if my husband hears that, he will try to use my stuff. Especially as good as this smells. You really gotta like part your hair and get it up in there, you know? Like I said, it's good for your skin. You would want to rub it and massage it into your scalp. I got my little scalp massager here from Casey, so I will be putting that to good use today. I actually am excited about this as well because my other scalp massager vibrates and has battery in it, and I'm scared to take that in the shower because I don't want it to get messed up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this last section. Right, you guys, so I am all done. After you give it a massage, you take a plastic cap or a plastic bag and you just apply this to your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. Probably leave it on for about an hour. And I'm not kidding. So I will be back to show you guys the end results. There is no deep conditioner that I got with this, so I'm just gonna use one of my deep conditioners here because y'all know I've got a plethora. And yeah, spin. So I'll be back. Alrighty, we are following directions. Make sure you guys read and follow directions. Reading is fundamental, honey. That's what they're there for, okay? If it say 20 to 30 minutes, just leave it on for an hour, like the directions say. Alright, you guys, so I have rinsed out the clay mask, and I used my As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask as my deep conditioner. It's nice and lightweight and strengthening, and I only had it on for the amount of time it took me to shower, so I made sure not to leave it on too long. And I don't know about you, but I see these curls, I see this texture coming back now. Ooh, my hair is detangled. You saw it. You saw it. You can see the shine and the luster has come back. Now, I'm seeing water kind of bead up in my hair more often than normal, and my hair is staying wetter longer. Those can very well be signs that my porosity could be changing. I've been talking to Badia, CEO of KCE, and she definitely put an idea in my head, and I'm going to test my hair, not in this video because I think it's long enough, but I'm definitely going to test a few strands. I'm interested to see if my porosity has changed at all. I want to see what's going on with my hair because, yeah, I think maybe my porosity could be changing, or like I said before, I could be suffering from hyper fatigue. So, but yeah, your mask is amazing. Your mask is amazing. So I found out exactly what this was that didn't have a label on it or anything. This actually is a butter, and it's double sealed as well. So, this smells a little bit more like tangerine. I'm gonna twist my hair up with this tonight, and we're gonna go to bed, okay? Because it's been a long day. Yo, I took one of my twists out. Look at the definition from that butter. Oh my gosh, I have got to do a killer combo with this because I know this is not going to hold in this Florida humidity. All right, you guys, so I am back. My hair is done and completed. I am pleasantly surprised. I'm so sick of saying this lady's name, Badia. This definition is unreal. Now, I will not lie, my hair was still slightly a little wet, so that's why it's getting frizzy. And this butter is a very, very light hold butter, so I will definitely be pairing this with a gel and making a killer combo. By the way, y'all like my shirt? Anyways, but yes, so thank you again so much, KCE, Kinky Curly Elegance. Thank you so much, Badia Weeks, for the opportunity, for the free stuff, for these results, like for saving my hair, most importantly. Thank you, girl. Like, yes, thank you so much. Thank you guys for clicking onto this video. For all of my amazing subscribers that would like to try any of these products that are all linked in the description box below, I do have a code for 10% off. The code is going to be Find Coils in all caps. Make sure you get that typed in. If you missed it, it is in the description box down there for you below. Go ahead and get you a little 10% off and bring them curls, coils, and kinks back, honey. Yes. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Just like the clarifying mask, this butter doubles as a moisturizer as well, so you can use it on your skin and your hair. Enjoy that 10% off.